Hello everyone, and welcome back to PodSpeaking.
Hi there. It's great to have you here again.
I'm Pink,
And I'm Joe.
and today's episode is going to be spooktacular because we're talking about Halloween, spelled Halloween.
That's right. A special and fun celebration with a very interesting history behind it.
Hey Joe, have you ever wondered what Halloween really means?
Oh yes, Pink. I know it's all about costumes, candy, and spooky decorations, but where did it all begin?
That's what we'll talk about today. Let's discover the story behind Halloween.
Halloween started more than 2,000 years ago in an ancient Celtic festival called Samhain, spelled S-A-M-H-A-I-N and pronounced Samhain.
Wow, that's really old. What did people do back then?
They celebrated the end of summer and the beginning of winter, a dark and cold season. They believed that on the night of October 31st, the world of the living and the world of the dead would come together.
So, ghosts were part of the celebration?
Exactly. People wore masks and costumes to scare away evil spirits and protect themselves.
But how did this ancient festival become the fun holiday we know today?
Good question. When Irish and Scottish immigrants came to the United States, they brought their Halloween traditions with them.
Oh, so that's how it became popular in America.
Yes, and over time, it turned into what we know today. Kids in costumes, saying trick or treat, people decorating houses, and of course, candy everywhere.
I love candy, so Halloween became less scary and more fun.
Let's look at some classic Halloween symbols.
Okay, I'll say the symbol and you tell me what it means.
Deal. Let's go.
Pumpkin,
Pumpkins protect homes from bad spirits.
ghost,
Ghosts represent the souls that return on Halloween night.
spider,
Spiders and webs are symbols of mystery.
witch,
Witches come from old European legends.
candy.
And candy, well, that's the best part of Halloween.
Definitely the sweetest part.
Halloween is also perfect to learn English words. Let's teach our listeners some spooky vocabulary.
Trick or treat, costume, haunted house, pumpkin, scary, bat, ghost.
Repeat after us and practice your pronunciation. It's fun and easy, and it helps you remember new words.
You know, Joe, many people think Halloween is just about scary things, but actually it has a good side too.
That's right. It teaches us about different cultures, creativity, and sharing.
And it's a great opportunity to practice English. You can watch movies, learn new words, or even tell short, scary stories in English.
Yes, Halloween mixes fun, imagination, and learning all in one night.
So today, we learned that Halloween started as a Celtic festival, became popular in the US, and turned into a celebration full of fun, candy, and culture.
Exactly. And remember, learning English through culture helps you understand the world better.
We hope you enjoyed this spooky episode.
Don't forget to practice your Halloween vocabulary and say it out loud.
Happy Halloween!